In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open long and short positions on Binance. Whether you're new to futures trading or looking to refine your strategy, this guide will walk you through the essentials. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Binance account. Once you're in, head over to the Derivatives or Futures section. Here, you'll choose the type of futures contract you want to trade. Do you prefer your contracts margined in stablecoins, or would you rather them be margined in the coin itself? You can select USDS-M futures for stablecoins, or Coin M futures if you lean towards the latter option. This is an important decision, so take a moment to consider which suits your strategy best. Now that you've selected your contract type, it's time to transfer funds. Move the necessary amount of USDT, or whichever margin currency you're using, from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. This transfer will serve as the collateral for your trades, so ensure that you have enough to support your trading activities while managing your risk effectively. Next, let's talk leverage, one of the most thrilling yet potentially risky aspects of futures trading. Decide on the leverage you want to apply to your trades. Remember, higher leverage can magnify both your potential profits and your risks. Depending on the contract, you might see a slider or button to adjust your leverage before opening any positions. Make sure you're comfortable with the amount of risk you're taking on. Moving on to margin modes, you need to decide whether to use isolated or cross-margin. This choice will determine how your margin is utilized and, consequently, the level of risk involved. Isolated margin confines risk to individual positions, while cross-margin shares collateral across all your open positions, which can either mitigate or exacerbate your exposure. Optionally, you may want to enable hedge mode. This feature allows you to hold both long and short positions on the same contract simultaneously. To do this, simply go to Preferences, then Position Mode, and select Hedge Mode. If you see that it's off, your account is in one-way mode, meaning you can only hold one position per contract. With these settings in place, you're ready to open a position. If you predict a price increase, open a long buy order. Conversely, if you expect the price to drop, opt for a short sell order. You'll also need to choose an order type. If you want immediate execution, go for a market order. Alternatively, select a limit order if you wish to specify a price level. After placing your order, it's crucial to monitor your position. Binance supports various stop-loss and take-profit orders, such as stop limit and stop market, to help manage your risk. Consider setting these orders to protect your investments. Finally, when you decide it's time to exit your position, you can manually close it. In one-way mode, a short order can close a long position, and vice versa. In hedge mode, you'll need to close each side separately, ensuring you manage both your long and short trades effectively. By following these steps, you'll be set to trade confidently on Binance Futures.